What's up, guys? We're here at Lift a Truck Nationals. I told you guys that we'd make it here, but the truck did not. I'm sorry. The truck did not make it. My bad. We got the boys, Casey, little baby Navarra, Austin. Well, we just got done eating and hanging out, chilling out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, we already walked around. There's a lot of pretty cool shit here. What? Sailboat. That's not no sailboat, that's a race boat. Let's go to this side. Anyway, guys, so after like a 4-hour trip from West Plains to Jay, Oklahoma, we're here at the Mid-America Off-Road Park. But this place is like 1,600 acres or something like that, so it's not that bad. It's pretty awesome. But check this thing out. So yeah, that boat's pretty sick. It's got a 24 valve Cummins in it. Is that right? 24 valve? That's 24 valve, right? What? It's 24 valve. Dual. Anyway, so we ran into these guys, which you guys probably also know from YouTube. Dirty South Standards. He just got his rear end done. Definitely out standards Darlene.
Well, they'll do it. I didn't see him on the radio. Why don't they probably sit back like that?
Sheesh. Ain't that the truth? Oh no, it might be a little bit taller. Yeah, it's a little bit taller than Darlene.
If it's taller than me, then yeah.
Well, the bumper is shoulder height, so yeah, it's taller. It's definitely taller.
Yeah, it's taller.
Zoom out real quick.
That
That one's way taller. But I'm pretty sure he just got the paint fixed on this from being burnt, and pretty sure it was this side, I think. Sheesh. Look at those JTXs.
They spin?
No, maybe.
This one's not too.
This one? Yeah. It's literally got the same axles. Yeah, it's got the same axles as my truck. I wonder why. Look at the angle of that. See, this one's got the same one too. Same axles.
Yeah, that's bigger than yours.
No, it's the same axles.
Yeah, this one's bigger than yours.
Well, I wonder why. It's cool over. It's leaf in the rear and coils in the back.
You got Bluetooth chargers.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Showing you my titties!
So Lift a Truck Nationals ain't too bad this year out here at Mid-America Off-Road Park. We hung out with George for a little bit and show me trucks. There's probably a few trucks here, a few TikTok trucks. Ain't too many. They got these badass cabins that you can rent or you can camp here this year. But sadly my truck didn't make it, so we just drove Casey's car up here for the day. Just bought her know, our average day pass. Called it good. Look at that truck. I'm done. But we've been here since what, 10 o'clock? It's going on 1. So we've been here for quite a while. We already, like I said, I'm gonna be honest with you, we already did a full walk around. So now I'm just doing a little, like, you know, quick here, quick there. You guys, if you want to see like actual good videos, go like 60 Titan or something like that. There's not really very many YouTubers here. CJ didn't show up, Gabe didn't show up, shit like that. So check this out.
That white Jeep. That one has that Mother Road Mayhem.
That's some anthems. But yeah, that Jeep was definitely out there. Anyway, so I'll get a little bit of B-roll in this video and I'll call it good from there. But check out this. Is that crude diesel? No, he never would have 15s. Hey, they're 15s, but he keeps them clean. Where's he going? He gone. Damn, that's a big truck. But yeah, these little cabins are cute though. Check that out. Oh, got Fast Fuel, Outlaw Fab, and all them. Check this thing out. It's pretty freaking wild. It's out here at the American Force tent. Anyway, that's a few of the lineup of the trucks here. Look behind me. It looks like it goes for days. I got those cute little cabins over there. But there's a lot of cool ass trucks here. There's a lot of different ones. I really wish mine was able to be here. I don't think it would have been a game changer, but it's been definitely different for me to have my truck here. But maybe if the Kansas truck meet, maybe. Don't hold me to it, because every time I say I'm going to get it done, I got it done, but I didn't get it here. So that's my fault. It is what it is. But we'll catch up with you guys at the next truck meet, next show, whatever. Signing off here. I'll talk to you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and share. You're supposed to say subscribe. You ruined this entire... Alright guys, so we'll catch you later in the next video.
Showing you my titties!